Nakalagay dyan TV. Hindi, di ba?
Hindi.
It's more or less nasa ridge. Nasa ridge. Acceptable. Okay, you are saying, written. Right? Regular or sinus. Pacemaker. Omen.
Dok, may kapli.
There are times na magkakaroon ka ng delay sa activation. Okay, ranging from 1.7 to 3 seconds. Matagal na yan. Ang dalawa. Yan. Umiidin ko ang function mo for a period of 3 seconds. Palpitation is like palpitation as the sinus following the pulse. Dahil pagkatapos ng pulse, ang laki ng time niyo magkaroon ng ventricular feeling, pag-contract na, it is forceful. Dahil, pag nag-contract yan, napuno ng dugo ng LV, nahatak ang ventricular muscles. By the starting the ang magiging contraction niya ay mas forceful than kaya meron after the compensatory pause, hindi sinus pause, meron minsan dito, let's say PVC. Diba? Ito ang compensatory. After the PVC. Now with that, you have better feeling and benefits. Na-stretch na gusto ang muscle. And by the crack starting mechanism, na-discuss naman yung kailangan. Crack starting, iba. We will discuss it next week. Yung contraction mo, malakas. Kaya hamdaw mas iba na pinag. Right? Now, kung ganito, i-iimbestigahan mo. If not an emergency. Lalo na if it is symptomatic. If you see a sinus pause on your ECG, and your history will show a period of symptom or episodes of symptom, dizziness, lightheadedness, or giddiness, parang nahihilo. Ibig sabihin, the sinus pause is so significant that it diminishes cerebral blood flow. Masyadong kabakal sa pag-hindi na nawawalan ng supply sa utak. Kaya, or, hindi lang mere symptom or symptom, nawawalan ng utak. That should raise a red flag sign that you should do something more to work out the patient and find out. Okay? Sinus pause, ganyan ang itsura. Isa, okay siya, tapos kita niya yung white part na yan. Tumigil ang sinus, tumigil ang pag-discharge. Tumigil ang monitor. Sana nandito eh. Susunod na di ba? Sana nandito. Wala. And then, nabuhay na naman na yung sino. Tumibog na naman siya. Nag-discharge, kaya back to normal functions. Yun ang sinus.